All right, guys, we got week 12 here, the week of October. October, wow, okay, nailed it. What month? Okay, November 30th through December 4th, the first week of December. Pretty excited here. But anyway, what we got going on here is here's the Unit 3 vocab Quizlet. This is posted here because that material will be on your Unit 3 test, which is Friday or Thursday. You also have an opportunity to retake the matter vocabulary quiz on Wednesday. But it will only be available on Wednesday. If you look at the due date here, it's due by midnight on the 2nd. Actually, that should be 3 p.m. Should be due by 3 p.m. on the 2nd. You also have the ability to watch this walkthrough of your Unit 3 review answers. So today, what we're working on, if you go Monday, Tuesday, open this one up, is you're downloading the unit review to Notability, and you're going to complete it and upload it. In order to get full credit, you have to upload it before you or on Monday or Tuesday before the key goes active. It's pretty short here, mostly fill in the blank types of things. Okay. Yes, it's 38 questions, but they go really, really fast. All right, so that's Monday and Tuesday. And then what we got here is you'll upload it back to the Unit 3 matter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, on Wednesday, retake the vocab quiz and check the Unit 3 review answers. So here, this YouTube video won't be available until Wednesday after you submitted it, but it will be available. If you turn it in after I make this live, then you will not get full credit. Okay, so that's Wednesday. And then Thursday or Friday, this will only be available during your class time. The Unit 3 test will be available, and you get to take it open note. Notice it says open note test here. Okay, so that's what we got going on in week 12. Love you. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure on Wednesday you sign up for an academic seminar if you have not.